Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So you may be wondering where the heck I've been and where the heck I am right now. This place probably doesn't look too familiar to you guys, but it's my new house. Well, condo, duplex. I share half the building with somebody over there. But check it out, guys. It's pretty cool, right? I'll be living here with Christian Smith and Will Davidson, if you know them. Congratulate them, because they're living with one of the coolest guys I know. But we still got some like upkeep to do, like stuff like that. And yeah, we're repainting everything down here, getting rid of the yellow, the random weird bulbs right there. I think we're doing something with that. Fan, whatever the heck that thing is, we're getting rid of that. And then we're painting all that white. And redoing the carpet. And then it looks kind of scary up there. But I'm here today because we're covering this section of the wall in reclaimed fence wood. I'm also here to kind of prep this wall for wood. So you got little things like that, you know, that's really stuck in there to get rid of. And then I got to pull this off, just pull the wires out. And I'm busting that trim off and that trim off and just having wood right there. This thing. Whoa, I didn't know I was there. That was crazy. I don't know how to get up. That'll do it. All right, that's how you do that. Got a whole crap ton here from my grandmother's house, and then this is from the shop. I just brought this over. A little bit extra because my dad didn't think that that was enough to cover one wall, or two walls actually. So, kind of sketchily hauled this over here, just using my hands, see? Pick it up and walk around. It was a long walk. But that's what I'm doing today. So. Oh, there we go. Oh. Wow, it's a really good light bulb. Got us a air hockey table, some chairs and other stuff. You guys may remember these things from dorm life. Coffee table. That's what we're looking for right here. Just temporary usage because we're cutting all that in different random links. Well, now I got everything moved. Fixing to start trimming everything. There's everything that's on the trailer. It looks a lot smaller here. It's like a big old bonfire. Just go ahead and light that sucker right there. And then we got all these over here. We're gonna go ahead and trim the edges off and get rid of the useless pieces. Trim that off, that kind of crap. I think that's all I'm gonna do today. So if I don't finish in this video, you'll see it in the next one, all right? So, onward and cutward. Ah, wow, okay. Okay.
Going. Hey Tyler freaking Lewis's followers, subscribers. Here he is. Here's the man himself. Ah, okay, seriously. Nice. Hey. Say hi.
Hello.
It's just a day in the life of Tyler Lewis. We just went to a CrossFit and did some cool stuff like that. Now we're just, look at all these ant bites I have, or mosquito bites.
They don't care about your aim lights.
Actually, I think they do. What you?
I don't give a flip.
Wait, it shut off.
No, it's just the screen
Oh, it
goes dark.
really itches. Wait, look, you can see me.
I can't see you. There's a camera in the way.
Itchy.
So last time I left y'all off, I was at the house and we were doing the wall, or I was doing the wall alone. But turns out the painters are there, and they're painting up the walls, and I can't do the wood until they're done, and they won't be done for another couple of days. So now we're just gonna finish off this video with some random crap that Summer wants to. Okay, you trying to mimic me here?
Do it.
I don't know. You said you.
Ready?
Thumbnail right here.
Oh gosh. Okay. Seriously.
Thumbnail. White girl eats crap in the front yard. Okay, did you mean to do that?
You gotta cut that one out, okay? Ready?
We'll see.
5, 6, 7.
I bet you I could do that.
Put some like cool music right there.
Oh yeah. Do it again.
Get the beat going.
Okay, I'll be sure to put some cool
Thank
music
you.
to that. My pits are sweating still. Yeah, so she said earlier, but we just CrossFit.
You want to see my muscles? I'm just kidding.
Show me your muscles. Why did you just act like you pulled your sleeve up?
It's part of it. It's part of the process.
Okay. Alright guys, I'm going to sign off in the bathroom because it is dark outside. And I got like, 2/3 of the light I could have in here. But, like and subscribe, and I've got some more videos coming, summertime themed, and some customizations to Summer's car. And the wall on my house is still coming up. And move-in, of course. Got some videos coming out on that. Don't miss my Cape Cod adventure coming up mid-July. Going to Cape Cod, and there's going to be some sweet videos with my family and my cousins from Washington. So, see you later.
So nice to myself.